Over the years, as I've worked towards the design and performance goals of my 1966 Mustang, I've upgraded and installed a variety of parts and pieces on my car, probably a lot of the same parts and pieces that you've put on your car, but I've also designed and installed some of my own parts that were designed to improve the chassis stiffness, the chassis stabilization, how the car feels and handles on the curvy roads, the feedback that I want to get from my car, improvements over stock, things that I couldn't have on this car when I bought it. Now, a lot of you guys have probably seen the videos of me installing these parts and pieces on my car. You've probably seen them on my website, KruseBuilt.com. But what I wanted to do was put together a package, a sort of kit of these upgrades into a single unit so that you guys could install them on your car and feel these changes and upgrades all at once. And something that would be immediate feedback, immediate results of upgrading your car when you're driving on the twisty roads and enjoying some spirited driving. And the kit that I'm putting together is my chassis stabilization system, my CSS, if you will, and it's going to include parts like my export brace that ties in the shock towers to the firewall for improved stability under cornering and handling when you're taking the car out. Parts like my Monte Carlo bar that ties together the two shock towers into a system that keeps them from folding inward under hard cornering. And if you pair it with the export brace, it triangulates the whole system into a stronger, more robust system that improves how the car handles. I also have my master cylinder brace kit that's designed to remove the firewall flex under extreme braking situations. And my newest part, the front cross member, that continues to tie in the two frame rails of these cars, but it also links in the pivot points of the lower control arm mounts into a single system. When you pair all four of those parts together, it improves the chassis stabilization of the car, ties it all together, tightens it up, and improves it over what it was from the factory. This is the kind of stuff that I want on my car, and if you guys enjoy the kind of driving that I do, you probably want these kind of parts on your car. So what I've done is put together a kit that you can get all four of these into a single system, and then you get to take advantage of a price discount on this set instead of buying them individually. So if you want to head over to my website, KruseBuilt.com, you get a chance to see all the parts and pieces that I sell for these cars. But I've also got this kit. Now this kit is for the 64 to 66 Mustang, but I've also got a kit for the 67 and 68 Mustang. But at this time I don't have the crossover for that kit. When I do have it available, I'll update that kit. But for now, it's just the 67 to 68 is the export brace, the Monte Carlo bar, and the master cylinder brace. But the 64 to 66 Mustang, you get those four parts in your kit. If you want to check it out, KruseBuilt.com, you can take a look at these parts. And this is one of those upgrades that yields instantaneous results. It's the sum of the parts. Everything all done at once is going to tighten up this car, and it's going to feel a lot better and give you a little more confidence, inspires you to enjoy your driving when you're out there on those back roads. KruseBuilt.com, you want to check it out.